Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Honda R20 engine is a 2.0-liter, naturally aspirated, inline-4 engine. It's part of Honda's R-Series engine family, which was introduced around 2006. Unlike the high-revving K-Series engines or the newer turbocharged L-Series engines, the R20 was designed primarily for efficiency and smooth, accessible torque at lower RPMs, making it suitable for daily driving in various Honda models. Review and opinions. The R20 engine is often characterized by its reliability and smooth operation, but less so by its exhilarating performance. Character. It's a fairly conventional, naturally aspirated engine. It offers a smooth and quiet operation at cruising speeds, contributing to a comfortable ride. Performance. With power output generally between 150 to 157 horsepower and around 190 newton-meters of torque, it provides adequate power for most daily driving situations. It's not a powerhouse, and some might find it a bit underwhelming for spirited driving, especially when paired with an automatic transmission. It needs to be revved to access its full power, but unlike older VTEC engines, it doesn't have a pronounced VTEC kick. Driving experience. It delivers a linear power delivery, which is predictable and easy to manage. It's well suited for urban commuting and relaxed highway cruising. Refinement. Generally good for a four-cylinder, offering a relatively quiet and vibration-free experience. Advantages. Reliability. This is one of the R20's strongest points. Honda's R-Series engines are known for their durability and longevity, often reaching high mileage, 200,000 plus miles, with proper maintenance. Timing chain. The R20 uses a timing chain, which is generally designed to last the life of the engine, significantly reducing maintenance costs compared to timing belts that require periodic replacement. Fuel efficiency. For a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter engine, the R20 is reasonably fuel efficient, especially during light throttle cruising, thanks to its I-Vtec system tuned for economy and other friction-reducing technologies. Simplicity. Being naturally aspirated, it avoids the complexities and potential long-term issues associated with turbochargers, though it also lacks their power boost. Low maintenance. Beyond routine oil changes and filter replacements, the R20 tends to be a low-maintenance engine. Disadvantages. Lack of excitement/power. For drivers seeking strong acceleration or a sporty feel, the R20 can feel underpowered or uninspiring. It doesn't offer the low-end torque punch of modern turbocharged engines. Older technology. While reliable, it lacks some of the advanced features, like direct injection in many variants, and the inherent efficiency/power benefits of newer engine designs. Noise at high RPMs. When pushed hard, the engine can become somewhat noisy without delivering a significant increase in performance. Pumping losses. While Honda implemented technologies to reduce pumping losses as a naturally aspirated engine, it can still be less efficient than turbocharged engines under certain loads due to throttle body restrictions. Faults and breakdowns. The R20 is generally considered a very reliable engine with few widespread, major faults. Common issues tend to be minor and often related to typical wear and tear or neglected maintenance. VTEC solenoid leaks. The VTEC solenoid gasket or O-rings can sometimes leak oil, a relatively minor and inexpensive fix. Engine mounts. Like many engines, the engine mounts can wear out over time, leading to increased vibration and noise. Accessory belt pulley issues. Reports of failed accessory belt pulleys, harmonic balancer, leading to rough running. Knocking evaporative emissions canister purge valve, a minor issue that can cause a ticking noise. Carbon buildup, less common than direct injection engines while less prone than direct injected engines. Some carbon buildup on intake valves can occur over very high mileage. Coil pack/spark plug issues, common where items that can lead to misfires if not replaced when due. Minor oil leaks, often from valve cover gaskets or oil pan gaskets with high mileage. Fuel consumption. Fuel consumption varies depending on the vehicle model, transmission, manual versus automatic/CVT, and driving conditions. Official figures for models like the Honda Civic or CR-V equipped with the R20, official combined fuel economy figures typically range from 7.0 to 9.5 L/100 km, around 25 to 35 miles per gallon imperial. Real-world data. Mixed driving. Owners often report figures in the range of 7.5 to 9.0 L/100 km, 31 to 37 miles per gallon imperial. Highway driving can be quite efficient, sometimes reaching 6.0 to 7.0 L/100 km, 40 to 47 miles per gallon imperial, especially with disciplined driving. Urban driving will be higher, often in the range of 9.0 to 11.0 L/100 km, 25 to 31 miles per gallon imperial. Timing. The Honda R20 engine utilizes a timing chain to synchronize the crankshaft and camshafts. This is a significant advantage as timing chains are designed for the life of the engine and typically do not require regular replacement, unlike timing belts. This contributes significantly to the R20's reputation for low maintenance and reliability. Oil type. Honda generally recommends using a full synthetic oil with a viscosity of 0W20 or 5W30, meeting API-SN or later specifications. Always refer to the owner's manual for the specific vehicle and year for the precise recommendation. Capacity. The oil capacity is typically around 4.3 liters, 4.5 U.S. quarts, with a filter change, though this can vary slightly by specific vehicle application. Maintenance. Regular oil and filter changes are crucial for the longevity of any engine, including the R20. Adhering to the manufacturer's recommended service intervals, often 10,000 miles or 1 year, whichever comes first, is usually sufficient given the timing chain design. Versions and history. The R20 engine is part of the Honda R series, known for its focus on fuel economy and compact design. Engine codes. The most common variants include R20A1, R20A2, R20A5, R20A6, R20A9, R20Z1, etc. These variants mostly differ in tuning, compression ratio, and specific application, with minor power output variations. Introduction. The R series engine family was launched in 2006, with the R20 specifically appearing shortly after. Key features. All R series engines, including the R20, are SOHC, single overhead camshaft, 16-valve designs and utilize Honda's I-Vtec system. However, the I-Vtec in the R series is tuned for fuel economy rather than high performance, switching to a more economical cam profile under light engine load. They feature an aluminum alloy cylinder block and cylinder head and employ a drive-by-wire throttle. Applications. The R20 engine was widely used in various Honda models across different markets. Honda Civic, primarily in the 8th and 9th generation Civic, non-C models, in certain regions. Honda CR-V, a common engine choice for the 3rd and 4th generation CR-V. Honda Accord, used as a base engine in some international markets, e.g., Accord CU1/CN1/CW1. Honda Stream, MPV, also utilized in this compact minivan. Acura ILX. In early models, the R20A1 was used for the base Acura ILX. Hybrid variants. More recently, 2.0-liter engines, like R20Z2/R20Z3 LFCH4, are used in Honda's hybrid systems, e.g. MMD, but these are often distinct from the standalone R20A/Z series, sometimes featuring DOHC and specifically designed for Atkinson cycle operation within a hybrid powertrain. In summary, the Honda R20 engine is a testament to Honda's engineering for reliability and efficiency in a naturally aspirated package. While it may not offer thrilling performance, its low running costs and proven longevity make it a solid choice for those prioritizing dependability and sensible fuel economy. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.